it's after the massive, the rainstorm is still going on. I'm still soaked. The camera shut off. I think water got to it. Daddy, I'm filming. But, man. Hey, we have lawn chairs. And I think, yeah, look at the lawn chair. Hold on. The lawn chair literally almost fell into the pool. It's halfway into the pool right now. I'm just waiting for it to fall in. Oh, God. Man, okay, I need to go pick that thing up. Yeah, that lawn chair is about to fall right into the pool. Man, that wind, though. Alright, guys, come on, let's go. Let's go get it. Come on. We gotta go get this lawn chair out of the pool, shall we? Hey, I'm gonna set you guys down right here. Alright, guys, come on. I got it out of the pool. Come on. Oh my God, the camera might shut off any second. Alright. Alright, I got the lawn chair out of the pool. Oh. Alright, I gotta go change. Hold on. I got the lawn chair out of the pool. Ooh. Oh my God, guys. Oh my. Oh. That water's cold. Oh, man. So, we just got back from a party. We were watching fireworks. And, well, yeah. But I'm soaked right now. I mean, but that's what nature is. So, I mean, K2 Adventures, am I right? I mean, seriously, I mean, that's an adventure. But, hopefully you guys enjoy this. But, I kind of liked it. I mean, it was fun, to be honest. But getting the lawn chair, it was halfway into the pool. I cannot have done it with one hand and hold the camera with the other. I was either going to drop my phone into the pool or the camera was going to stop. So I had to set it down, get the lawn chair. I smashed my pinky toe, but almost fell in whenever it first fell. So, yeah, bye guys. I'm going to dry off and go listen to the storm. But hopefully you guys enjoy this. Like and subscribe. That's the second video today. I filmed one, but the camera cut. So, yeah. It's going to be the second one. Oh my God. That was a good rainstorm. It's still going. It's still going on, but hope you guys have a great evening. I mean, what time even is it? About 10 o'clock, almost 10 o'clock. But, wait a minute. No, it's not. Wait, I'm confused. But, hopefully you guys enjoy this video and like and subscribe. Whatever you need to do, go over to the other video and you'll see how this all happened. Bye, guys.